Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to North Korea after 24 years culminated into the signing of a pact between the supposedly two friendly nations, requiring both to be each other's aid if any one of them is attacked. In Russian President Putin's rare visit to the reclusive state, the duo also signed a new strategic partnership, replacing previous deals signed in 1961, 2000 and 2001. Amidst this bromance between the two leaders, a senior Ukrainian presidential aide made an explosive claim stating that North Korea was helping Russia kill Ukrainian civilians. Following the signing of the pact, President Putin stated that the comprehensive partnership holds the provision of mutual assistance in the event of aggression against one of the parties, among several other agreements. Calling the pact truly a breakthrough document, Putin asserted that the deal encompasses the political, trade, investment, cultural spheres and the security sphere as well. Whereas Kim labeled the new alliance between the two leaders as a watershed moment in the development of the bilateral relations. Yet the accord between the two autocratic nations also raises various concerns such as the possibility of Russia's nuclear deterrence now applying to North Korea and vice versa, or whether the two countries will engage in joint military drills. Notably, Putin was welcomed in a lavish ceremony in North Korea where thousands stood chanting "Welcome Putin" and lined the cities with Russian and North Korean flags and bouquet of flowers. In a rare scene, the North Korean dictator was seen patiently waiting for Putin to arrive, after which the two allies witnessed exuberant celebrations in Pyongyang where mounted soldiers, military personnel and children holding balloons cheered. The burgeoning relationship between the two nations holds immense significance for both leaders grappling with Western sanctions and isolation. For Russia, his visit to the north illustrates that Putin holds considerable influence in some parts of the world which had gone down the trajectory post-Russia's Ukraine invasion. While they isolated Northern Korea, this friendship with Russia acts as a shield for Kim Jong-un against all the Western sanctions and threats. Nonetheless, the fostering ties have sparked concerns for both South Korea and Washington, not only about North Korea's arms transfer to Russia, but also the prospect of Moscow transferring its technology to aid Pyongyang's sanctioned weapons program.